So great news, boys and girls, ladies and gents. The government have just done a 180. Private driving lessons is back on the table. Let's have a look. So my good friend Joanne, she's a student. She has just informed me of this email she's received. So it's an email just to confirm a cancellation of a driving test, but also, as you can see below, just here, we've got a change in private practice guidance. So what are they saying? Well, the government guidance is very clear that people should be staying at home to save lives and protect the NHS. A journey solely for driving learning purposes is not considered essential. However, current guidance has been reviewed and updated. You can now practice with a member of a household or in a support bubble as part of travel to work, education, or other essential journeys. So this position is now the same in England, Scotland, and Wales, boys and girls. So this is absolutely fantastic news. So you can now continue with private lessons if you are with a family member in the same household and in the same support bubble. A great day for everyone out there that's learning to drive at home and has been practicing their own car. Just make sure it is for essential purposes. Maybe you're going shopping or whatever else. Maybe it's on the way to work. Just make sure it is for essential purposes, but this is still fantastic. That's all. See you soon.